Hey Carl, your '89 Mustang A9P computer is done and looks good. The capacitors, there's the first one and the second one and the third one. We used a new conformal coating on this one that's almost the exact color of the original, so when you see the traces and stuff around the capacitors that we repaired, it's the exact same color as the original, so it looks really good. Happy with that. Looks good. This computer wasn't too bad in the first place, and it looks like it's going to be a solid repair. Alright, let's give it a test. Again, this is power, this is check engine light, this is fuel pump. Fuel pump should run for 1 second when we turn the key on. And it does. Check engine light comes on as it should. 5-volt regulator has pretty much 5 volts. And then we put it into code pulling mode. This thing will flicker real weird for a second, and then it'll start throwing some 2-digit treble codes at us. And here we go. And on the bench it throws all kinds of codes. You can ignore that. It's just because the computer doesn't have everything plugged into it. So sensors and everything else are throwing codes at the moment. But yeah, what we're looking for is to make sure that everything just works the way we think it should, and it looks like it does. So very good. It's ready to go home.